What's up, y'all? Today we on set of the one and the only Hole Factor. These contestants don't even know what they're about to get into today. From worms, wigs, to win. We're putting them through extreme tests to see what ERICKAJ really talk about.
Ain't no fear when you got ERICKAJ.
We defeated gravity!
Challenge 1. We're putting a box of worms with the products and they have to dig in it blindfold. We're gonna see just how sticky and slimy things get.
What's up? It's your girl, and I came to get my glue, my whole dish spray, everything. I need that because the ERICKAJ, she ain't coming out. My wig is slay. I'm 20 years old. I'm a young influencer from Broward County. I wanted to sign up because my man, he be snatching my wig, so I need the ERICKAJ because one thing about it, it's gonna leave it out on your face, but your wig ain't coming out. Thank you. What is this? Oh my God, it's a rectangle. Okay. Is it a roach?
Maybe.
It'd probably be a rat, I don't know. Oh my God, Erica, what is this? Eric, I can't do this. I can't do this, Erica, I can't do this. Oh my God. This too much for a girl. Oh my God. Okay, I got one. Is this the cigar?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, I got one. Where's that?
You dropped it back.
Oh my God, I can't see. That challenge right there, baby, I was about to pass out. I don't like stuff like that, that feel like that. It was just too much. The worms moving, baby. I can't, It's too much.
Now you gotta restart.
No, I can't do this. I'm about to pass out. Oh. I got it?
Yes.
Okay, this it?
No, one more.
No, it ain't one more. You lying.
It's one more.
You lying.
One more.
I can't do this.
You got it. One more.
Ooh. Okay, I got it out?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. You done.
Don't put me in that position, but I need my glue. I need my glue for real.
Okay, it's K-Nani. I'm from Miami. 27 years old. Why I signed up? Because I love ERICKAJ. Her products always work for me, and the challenge seemed fun, and I'm a scary ass so I kind of like wanted to face my fears. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
You're gonna get the skin guard first.
How am I know? You gonna tell me where to go?
Nope.
And then if I get it wrong, then what, I just gotta keep digging?
Yeah.
It's my turn?
Yes. You gotta open the box.
Oh, okay. Ah, damn. Ah, fuck. Ooh. What the f— I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I know I was quiet, lost for words, because I was trying so hard not to doodle. That shit was nasty, slimy as f.
That's the glue or the skin guard?
The skin guard.
I could feel it, y'all. Dang.
That's the one bite.
No, it ain't. Y'all don't know how bad my heart beating fast.
Give me your fingers
They
shaking
moving?
like a mother.
Yes.
I did it, y'all.
You know, it don't do nothing. It's like the good shit, yeah.
Yes.
I don't know what made Erica think of that, but like, I ain't on that.
Now you gotta put one in your mouth. No, I'm playing. Challenge number 2. We're seeing just how well they know how to use the products and if they can withstand the wind.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the skin guard. Make sure you cover your eyes. Dry. Velcro effect. If you haven't been here before, spray the inside of your lace. We're going in with the— I never smelled this before. They say you're supposed to wait till it's all clear. I ain't gonna lie, it still be holding. I be not waiting. Don't tell Erica I told y'all that. I be doing one layer because I keep my wigs on for like a few days, and it still be hard to come off.
So the first one run be the first again. Yeah, cutters ain't spitting on the track. Bad boy beat, so you know it ain't jack. I'm authentic, these other wags. Still talking, buddy, I'll be right back. Pull out your stick, 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 pull out your stick.
We don't band for an hour. ERICKAJ don't need that.
Welcome to ERICKAJ's Hold Factor. Today we're testing beauty, bravery, and extreme holds. We have 2 contestants, and they have went from worms, wigs, and now they about to go up in the wind. So let's get into it.
When we put the coming down, I was like, wait, we going down? Why?
Second day, how you feel?
I'm feeling good. I look good when it fits my hair.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm more excited today than I am yesterday because I like know what to expect. Kinda. Full test.
Thank you.
Full test.
Okay, we surviving water, wind, and fire. What happened?
The wig's not both.
Let's see. Pull it. All right, so y'all see how it is?
We're here today because the sport has an extreme hold. So we're doing something extreme.
I'm here to test the glue. As you can see, Hold Factor. I'm trying to see if my wig can withstand gravity.
Make mine real tight. Sure. Tight like Lululemon.
Man, pull that hold over. They ain't built like this.
Oh, so tight, won't slide. Oh, so tight, won't slide.
It's your girl, and we finna jump. ERICKAJ, the wig ain't moving, thank you.
Oh, so tight, won't slide.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Make it stick like glue.
I chose skydiving because I feel like doing the natural, getting in the water, go to the beach, that's too regular. Ain't nobody going skydiving, and nobody do it like ERICKAJ, so that's why we're here today. You wanna go skydiving, you wanna get on a roller coaster, you wanna do something extreme, the sport is gonna hold you down, because there ain't no other hold.
No, it ain't no other hole. I got that glue to make it stick. No, it ain't no other hole. Oh no. No, it ain't no other hole. Oh no. No, it ain't no other hole. No.
Make it stick like glue. Baby, what it do? I'm slick.
This feels amazing. I can see my mama house. I can see my auntie house. I'm held down, man.
Y'all know. Y'all can stop playing soccer right now, thank you.
For ERICKAJ, most importantly, we defeated gravity, baby.
I got that glue that makes it.
Woo!
No other that's gonna hold like
Look, check me out.
Y'all, we did it.
As you can see, we're held down.
I'm feeling good. I survived ERICKAJ Fear Factor. Y'all already know. Go get the glue. We survived the water, wind, and fire. What happened?
Let's see the pool.
What happened? She still. What happened? You see it? Melted, laid down. ERICKAJ at his street.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I feel real good. I ain't gonna lie. I feel
You would do
like
it again?
I would. You should try it. It's cold as I ain't gonna
Yes,
lie.
I ain't gonna lie. It's cold.
Yeah.
It was cold, but it felt good, baby. Coming through, it felt good coming through.
We defeated gravity.
But I ain't gonna lie, baby. I caught a cramp. Bending my legs like that, baby. I damn near caught a Charlie horse. Baby, we was 125 miles per hour fight. Ain't no fear when you got ERICKAJ. How you said? Adhesive spraying off. Go get that. Shop now. You know the vibe.
Thank you.
ERICKAJ, Hold Factor, Fear Factor, all that. Stop me.